Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we have another install video that we'll be doing. It's a real easy install. And what we picked up is an air relocation kit from Adrenaline Cycles. And for those of you guys that already own X3s, you're well aware that around 5,000 RPMs, you get this real loud noise in the cab. And the reason being is Can-Am decided to put the air intake right behind your head. So you're going to hear it right around 5,000 RPMs. So we figured we'd go ahead and pick this up. So let me show you what comes in the kit. So this right here is going to be the block off that they're going to put in the front here. So this is just going to go in here like this. Like that. So we're going to have to drill 4 holes there for that. It comes with this foam kit, and this is what's going to go in the back. And this is what pops off right here. And you can see that foam is going to go down in here. It's going to block off that noise coming from the clutches. Okay? And then what we have to do is we have to cut this part out right here. And what they do is they give you a little grill. This is what it comes with. And it's going to go right on there like that. So we got to cut the inside of this out. It comes with a template. So we'll just cut this template out, and then we'll just tape that on there, and then we should be able to make our marks and then cut it out. So we'll go ahead and get this all set up for you guys so we can show you how to do this quick, easy install, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we got this all set up. It's real simple. They supply you with a template, and all you do is you just cut along the lines, and then what we did is we just taped it to the back of this intake box here, and all we got to do now is just draw on the inside of the template, and then we're going to have to cut that part out. Also, they do give you an option if you want to cut out this part, you can, to get more airflow, but we decided we didn't want to do that. We're going to leave that handle there. So that's up to you guys, however you want to do it. But we just picked up one of these paint markers, and basically we're just going to trim on the inside of this here, and then we'll cut it out just like that. Pretty simple. Should be pretty much all downhill after that. Make sure we got it on there good. And then this is just going to go in here like this. So you might have to use a file or something just to make it, or trim it up a little bit, but that's how it's going to look when it's all done. So let's go ahead and we're going to use our job max here, and probably what we'll do is we'll probably drill some holes in here so that we can start the drill bit. So I'll probably start in the corners. One down here. Okay. So like I said, we're just going to cut along the inside of here, and then this should fit right in there. so we got that all cut out. Pretty simple. We ended up going with the Dremel because it was a lot easier. This is just, it was too awkward for us, and we just went ahead and went to Dremel. It was a lot easier, a lot quicker, a lot less vibration on it. So if you guys have a Dremel, that's perfect for cutting that piece out. So all we got to do now is just slip this in here and bring that camera over here and Mike, you can show them. And there it is. It's all in. Okay. So then they supply you with some screws. So we're just going to screw those in there. And this part will be done. And there we go. And look at that. Then they give you these little rubber protectors. So we'll go ahead and slide those on. Well, we don't mess nothing up. We get cut, stick our hand back there for some odd reason. And I think this is the hardest part. It's done. So you can see it looks like they added, for the 19s, they added this on there. I don't know if the older models have this on there, but that's how it looks right there. So now all we got to do is we got to drill holes, 4 holes right here for the cover that goes right here. And I believe you're going to use a 5/16 drill bit, and then you're going to use these push pins here to secure this piece in here. And this is just going to go right behind here. It's easier to do it from behind. Like that. And that's going to stop the noise from coming in to the cab. So it should be a lot quieter in there. You'll be able to talk to your passenger now, especially at that higher RPM. That's where that goes right there. So what we gotta do now, we'll drill 4 holes. We'll mark it. They say don't use this to drill the holes. Don't use this as a guide. So we'll go ahead and we'll mark it with that white marker we have. So what we gotta do now is drill it. Like that. And we got one there. Like that. Got one here. It's not like on an angle. That's a hard one. Let's see if we can do it. Wants to ride on me. Alright. Last one. We're walking. There we go. All right. Let's go ahead and put that plate on. push pins, and we should be good to go. Where's that plate? There. And there. There. The last one. All right. So that's in there. That's all done. And then got this part back here. You guys can see the foam's in there. And then this just goes on right back like this. And there you go. You guys can see, you can't really tell, it looks factory. It's black, it matches. So now it's going to get the intake from back here instead of up there. You're not going to hear that noise anymore at 5,000 RPM. And you're going to be able to talk to your partner or whoever's with you. And we'll let you know how it goes. We're going to try it out. We'll let you know in about a month or so if we notice a difference. But from what I'm hearing and from the reviews I read on it, it's supposed to cut down the noise by like 50%. So we'll let you guys know, but it's a real easy install. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. Got this off of Amazon again, and you guys will be able to purchase it. And I believe it was like $100, so it wasn't even bad in price. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment down below, tell me what you guys think. Also make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out our merch store for our UTV Dirt swag. And with that said, see you on the next one.